We about to do a plant-based vegan meal prep. If you know me, I like to have meat in my food. No diddy, you feel what I'm saying? So I got three different options right here. I got these, some plant-based chicken pieces. Got some tempeh. I've never had this before, but we're gonna see what it is. Then I got some seasoning to go on top of it because I heard if you don't season it right, it's not good. Then I got some of this. Listen, this guy on TikTok said this is the best vegan chicken, right? So I want to try this out. It got 4 grams of protein in it, soy free, gluten free. It has no sugar in it. You know, in America, they like putting sugar in everything for real, for real. We got our containers right here. Got our 3 drinks right here, which is, for my work week. No sugar in those. And then check out my book, Definition of Perseverance on Amazon. Then I got different cans going on here. We got some chickpeas. We got some corn. We got some tomatoes. It's kind of like mixed, you feel what I'm saying? It kind of like mixed, you feel me? Then we got some black beans. I love the black beans. We got 2 black beans actually. And then we have right here some green beans, you feel me? Oh no, I'm kind of weird. I'm one of those people that can eat the same thing every day. Maybe like 4 days a week type vibes, you feel what I'm saying? Probably not every day, but I can eat like the same thing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly Friday, you feel what I'm saying? On the weekends, I might switch it up. And you already know every day I gotta have these. I don't see how girls be walking around with these, like, back be hurting and stuff. Oh my god. I'm talking about look at that meme while I'm spilling it all. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done one of my meal preps. Tomatoes, corn, black beans, green beans. We got 2 different types of chicken, which is plant-based chicken pieces. And these chopping gonna be fire. And plus I seasoned it with this right here, you feel me? Woo, these meal preps is gonna be, I don't know how they gonna taste until till the week, but And of course on the side of each meal, we got a watermelon.